the tiny titan, weighing in at less than 6 pounds, with ears that resemble a bat and eyes full of ancient secrets. The Chihuahua holds the undisputed crown as the smallest dog breed on Earth. They are the ultimate pop culture accessory, famously tucked inside designer purses and starring as talking mascots. But is living with them just about tiny sweaters and plush toys? Or does their primitive lineage mean they possess the fierce, unyielding heart of a warrior trapped inside a pocket-sized body? Today on the Doggo Zone, we are diving deep into the world of the Chihuahua. We'll explore their sacred history with ancient Aztec emperors. We'll study the science behind their Shiver, the reality of small dog syndrome, and show you how to earn the respect of this alpha. Chapter 1. The Sacred Ancestors, from the Aztecs to Hollywood. Their story begins in the ancient mystical civilizations of Central America. They are named after the Mexican state of Chihuahua. However, their true history goes back thousands of years to a breed called the Techichi. The Aztecs adopted these tiny dogs and elevated them to religious icons, believing they possessed supernatural powers like seeing the future. Tragically, they believed a Chihuahua would act as a spiritual guide in the afterlife, leading their owner's soul safely through the underworld. When you look at a Chihuahua today, you are looking at a living artifact of ancient mysticism. Chapter 2. Big brain, tiny body. Despite their size, Chihuahuas possess one of the largest brain-to-body mass ratios in the canine world. The apple head features a rounded skull and a dramatic 90-degree stop. The deer head has a longer, sloped snout, resembling a tiny fawn. Why do they shake? Because of their tiny body mass, they struggle to retain heat. They shiver to generate warmth, or when feeling intense emotions. Just like human babies, many appleheads are born with a malera, a soft spot on their skull that requires owners to be exceptionally careful. Chapter 3. The Ankle Biter Myth. Their reputation for being feisty comes down to human error, widely known as small dog syndrome. When owners laugh at aggressive behavior in tiny dogs, they teach them they are the absolute ruler. This creates an anxious, insecure dog. When treated, socialized, and trained like a real dog, a Chihuahua is incredibly affectionate, deeply loyal, and surprisingly well-behaved. Chapter 4. The Ultimate Velcro Companion. Chihuahuas are intensely people-oriented, but they are notorious for being one-person dogs. They want to sleep under your covers, sit on your lap, and follow you from room to room like a tiny shadow. They are also highly tribal, naturally seeking out and bonding with other Chihuahuas when in a room full of diverse dogs. Chapter 5. Health and Apartment Life. If you live in a small apartment, the Chihuahua is practically built for your lifestyle. They are one of the longest-living dog breeds, frequently reaching 15 to 20 years of age. Welcoming one is a 2-decade commitment. They have absolutely no tolerance for winter. Sweaters and coats aren't fashion statements. They are essential survival gear. Is the tiny titan right for you? They do not see themselves as small, and they demand respect due to an ancient Aztec guardian. If you want a fierce, long-lived partner who will provide a lifetime of devotion, the Chihuahua is ready to rule your heart.